Hello everyone. I'm here to present a topic of English grammar, that is parts of speech. This is a very important topic in the English language. Parts of speech. As the name suggests, speech means whatever we speak. So we speak sentences, that is words. So every word can be classified in 8 different types. So that is, there are 8 parts of whatever we speak. So hence the name is parts of speech. Now let's move on. The first part of speech is a noun. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Thing means anything. It can be a chair, table, water bottle, ball, etc. Example: Raj, Jaipur, chair, table. These are nouns. Also, Delhi is the capital of India. So here Delhi and India are both nouns. Also, there are different types of nouns that will be explained in another video. Next part of speech is an adjective. A and D are highlighted, which means adjective. So it adds meaning to a noun. That is, it adds some flavor, some extra meaning to a noun. Example: Rahul is a brave boy. Here Rahul is a noun, also boy is a noun. So brave is an adjective. It adds meaning to a noun. Next, pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun, like he, she, it, they, etc. Example: John is absent. He is ill. So John is a noun, and he is used instead of John. So he is a pronoun. The fourth part of speech is a verb. Verb is an ongoing activity or action, like crying, walking, talking, playing, etc. Example: the children are playing. So playing here is the verb. Next, fifth part of speech is an adverb. Here again A and D are highlighted. So it adds more meaning to a verb or an adjective. Example: she walks slowly. Here walks is a verb. Since it is an action, walking, so walks is a verb. Slowly adds more meaning to walks. So slowly is an adverb. She walks how? She walks slowly. So slowly is an adverb. Also, most of the adverbs end with ly. Ly, slowly. Sixth part of speech is preposition. Here position is highlighted. So it tells us the position of two things. Example: the book is under the table. So there are two things here. Book, one thing is book and the other thing is table. So it tells us the position of the book with respect to the table. So the book is under the table. So under is a preposition. Seventh part of speech, conjunction. It joins two words or sentences. Junction means joining, and hence it is highlighted here. It joins two words or two sentences. Example: he is absent because he is ill. So these are two different sentences. He is absent, one sentence. He is ill, the other sentence. Because here joins two different sentences, and hence because is a conjunction. Next and last, interjection. Interjection expresses sudden feeling, like wow, oh god. Example: hurrah, we won the match. So here hurrah is an interjection. Thank you.